Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I am going to show you how you can participate in Hacktoberfest 2021. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all, you have to register for Hacktoberfest 2021. So if you haven't registered yet, then be sure to check our recent video. To be a valid participant in this Hacktoberfest, you must make 4 valid pull requests in any open source project. So let's see how we can make a pull request. So for this, you must have Git installed on your device. So now open your browser and go to github.com. And in the search box, you have to search for Hacktoberfest. There are about 64,797 repositories, and you can contribute on any repository and make a valid pull request. So to make easier for you, I have selected one repository and you can make all your pull requests here. So I will provide this link in the description. So after selecting the repository, you have to fork this repository. Click on this button showing fork at the top right corner. Click there. Now you have to clone this repository. So for this, you have to click on this green box showing code. Click there and copy this link. Okay, now let's minimize this page and we are going to clone this project in desktop. So right click on your desktop and click on git bash here. Now you can see the terminal like this, and here you have to enter git clone and paste the link and hit enter. Now this project is available in our device. So let's open this. Now you have to make some changes in this project. So I'm going to add new C program. You can add anything you know. So here is a C file. So let me copy this and I will add in the C programs folder. Now we have to commit our change and make a pull request. So now right click anywhere in this screen and click on git bash here. We are going to make a new branch. So to make a new branch, enter git branch and your branch name. So now after this, check out to the branch C program. So for this, we have to type git checkout and branch name. Now you have to add the files in git. So to add the files, enter git add space dot. Now you have to commit the changes you have made. So to commit the changes, enter git commit -m and write the message c set union edit. Now you have committed your change. Now we are going to push this change. Now copy this link and paste it in your browser. Now you can see your commit message here, and if you have any additional comment then you can write here. If you don't have, then you can leave this blank, and now click on create pull request. Now our branch don't have any conflicts with the base branch. Now the maintainers of this repository will check our code, and if everything is fine, they will merge this and our pull request will be successful. So you have to make similar three more pull requests to be a valid participant. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.